Ever feel like no matter how hard you work, there's always someone watching, waiting to bring you down? What if I told you the key to real power isn't showing off your greatness, but hiding it from those who envy it? Today, I'm going to reveal exactly how to keep your progress invisible so you can grow unstoppable without distraction. Ready to protect your success and rise quietly? Let's dive in. The strong move in silence, the herd fears what it cannot understand. Do not parade your becoming before the small-minded. The eagle soars high not to boast, but to avoid the bark of dogs below. Real greatness has no need for applause. Elevate in silence. Let result, not noise, speak. Conceal your progress from those who would only sabotage it. In a world obsessed with attention, the most powerful move you can make is to grow quietly. Every day, commit to your progress not for the sake of praise, but for the strength it builds in you. You don't need to announce your goals or convince others of your greatness. It's enough to live them. When you rise in silence, no one can sabotage what they cannot see. Let your mornings begin with purpose, not performance. Build your craft, your health, your discipline, brick by brick, without needing a single like or compliment. Others may gossip, compare, or doubt, but the noise is a distraction. Greatness isn't loud, it's precise, it's calm, it's private. And here's the beauty. When you master the art of quiet progress, you become unstoppable. Not because you're hiding, but because you're choosing when and how to be seen. This is not about shrinking, this is about protecting your power. So keep going. In the gym, in your studies, in your grind, let the noise pass you by. The strongest growth happens underground, where roots run deep. And when it's time, your results will speak louder than any words ever could. Your light will always offend the eyes of the dim. The sun does not apologize for blinding those who stare at it unprepared. Motivation. The envious are not your concern, they are prisoners of their own weakness. Don't dim your greatness to comfort the fragile egos of others, just don't shine directly in their face. Not everyone will celebrate your growth, and that's okay. When you begin to shine, some will admire you, but others will feel threatened. Why? Because your progress reflects their stagnation. Your effort exposes their excuses. Your light reminds them of the darkness they've grown comfortable in. But don't let that dim you. Every time you choose discipline over destruction, every time you act with integrity when no one's watching, you become brighter. That light is a threat only to those who refuse to look inward. It has nothing to do with you and everything to do with what they refuse to become. So, walk tall, speak with clarity, pursue your goals without apology. And when you face resistance, understand it's a sign you're becoming something real. Let their discomfort fuel your compassion, not your silence. You are not born to shrink yourself to keep others comfortable. Instead, guard your energy, but don't fear your glow. You don't need to prove your worth, just keep becoming the person who no longer needs to explain it. The sun doesn't hide behind clouds to spare the world its brilliance. Neither should you. Mastery is hidden best in ordinary movements. The highest skill is to conceal your highest skill. Motivation. Wrap your talents in humility. Practice the art of camouflage not out of fear, but out of strategy. When others see nothing special, they do not strike. The lion hunts best when unseen. Real mastery doesn't need to shout, it whispers in every action. You don't have to prove how skilled, smart, or powerful you are. In fact, the more you truly grow, the less you'll feel the need to be noticed. Let your excellence live in the details, in how you show up on time, in how you follow through when no one's watching, in the way you listen more than you speak. The most powerful people often appear ordinary until their results make them impossible to ignore. Don't get caught in the trap of performance for approval. Every moment you spend trying to impress others is a moment you could spend sharpening your craft. Be okay with being underestimated. Be proud of being disciplined in silence. When you practice this mindset, you gain something rare: peace. You're no longer driven by the opinions of others, you're driven by purpose. Let your daily habits be your disguise. Let your results be your reveal. In a world that's addicted to noise, choose quiet greatness. When the time is right, your preparation will speak louder than applause ever could. Withdraw, perfect, return. One must go into solitude when one is pregnant with greatness. Go where no one watches. Build where no one notices. Return only when your creation is undeniable. Greatness grows in silence, then shatters illusions when it arrives. Every great individual walks a path few understand. Your discipline, your values, your desire to rise above mediocrity, it will confuse people. It might even make them uncomfortable. But this discomfort is not your burden to carry. You're not obligated to explain why you choose early mornings over late nights, why you invest in growth instead of gossip, or why you guard your energy like a fortress. When others try to pull you into their noise, remember, your silence is not weakness, it's wisdom. In your day-to-day life, that means trusting your instincts more than seeking validation. Say less, do more. Let your actions communicate your character. You don't need to debate those who doubt you. Your consistency will prove them wrong in time. Understand this. Many people fear what they don't understand. And greatness, by nature, is misunderstood. So continue walking your path. Train your mind. Sharpen your will. Protect your time. Let the doubters watch, while you quietly become undeniable. Your strength is not in how loudly you respond, it's in how little you need to. Those who envy you seek to chain you to their level. The envious are not enemies, they are weights on your ascent. Motivation. The envious don't want what you have, they want you to doubt you deserve it. Shield your confidence. Do not invite their gaze into your inner citadel. Your goals are sacred. They are the blueprint of your becoming, not a topic for casual display. When you share too much too soon, you invite not only opinions, but interference, doubt, and often subtle sabotage. Protect your dreams by moving in silence, not from fear, but from wisdom. Every time you resist the urge to announce your next move, you preserve your energy for what matters. Execution. Think of it as building a fortress brick by brick, where each action adds strength, and every quiet step takes you closer to a result that speaks for itself. In daily life, this means staying focused on your habits instead of broadcasting intentions. Let your progress be the announcement. People don't need to hear about your plan to wake up earlier, they'll notice the results. You don't have to explain your vision, they'll see it when it manifests. Silence is not passivity as its power, a power that grows stronger in solitude and self-trust. You're not here to convince the world, you're here to create something that the world cannot ignore. Build quietly, move purposefully, let your greatness arrive unannounced and let the result do the talking. Speaking simples, reveal nothing. He who knows how to mask his power controls when and where to strike. Motivation. Let your words be vague and your plans misty. Let no one map your trajectory, control perception. In doing so, you control outcome. Comparison is the enemy of greatness. When you obsess over how others see you or measure your progress against theirs, you give away your power. Your journey is uniquely yours. No one else's path holds the same challenges, strengths, or potential. Each day, remind yourself that true strength comes from within. Focus on your own growth, your own standards, your own relentless pursuit of excellence. Don't waste energy trying to prove something to the world or to compete in someone else's game. Instead, let your work be your declaration. Show up with intention and integrity. Build your character through quiet persistence. When envy or judgment arise from others, recognize it as noise, a reflection of their insecurities, not your worth. Live for your own vision. Celebrate small victories. Embrace setbacks as lessons. The only comparison that matters is the person you were yesterday. This is how you stay invisible to those who envy you, because they cannot reach what you're becoming. You are beyond their grasp, focused on your own transformation. That is real power, and it can't be taken or diminished by anyone else. So, to sum it up, real greatness doesn't need to be loud or flashy. It's about mastering the art of quiet growth, protecting your energy, and letting your results speak for themselves. The answer to staying invisible from envy? Focus on your own path, stay disciplined, and let others wander. What do you think? Have you ever hidden your progress to avoid negativity, or do you believe in showing up boldly? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear your experience. And if you're ready to take this even deeper, don't miss the next video, where we explore a powerful mindset shift that can change everything about how you approach challenges and success. Just click the video on your screen now, and I'll see you there.